not so sure about our old friend here, though.
Police cars just a lot faster than they used to be.
That is why I am on AutoTrader. Oh, look out!
Sure could use one of them backup cameras right about now.
AutoTrader lets you search for Bluetooth, traction control. This one even has remote start.
Time to make sure the door's open.
I think they all do.
Really? Hang on.
Fight the system like a two-day Robin Hood, yeah. Making the way, they're on the way they know how.
Can't seem to shake the sheriff's new cars. What was that?
It's an alert from AutoTrader. I just told them what we needed, and they go find it.
They can do that?
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
All right.
Hi, Luke.
Oh, hey, Lonnie. Oh, look out.
Hang on.
Another alert? Yep, price drop.
That's just a little bit more.
Luke, we got to get out of this.
Save your search. Hand me your phone.
All right. Ah. Whoa! Now, what am I going to do about my AutoTrader search?
Pick it back up on my tablet.
Oh, that's a good idea. Whoa, 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 whoa! Good God in heaven. Hey, boys.
Hey, Rusty. Fred, we'd like to see this one, please.
Can we get it in orange?
Making the way, they're on the way they know how.
Looks like the Duke boys found the one for them. Thanks to the new AutoTrader. Find your car your way.